Good morning, class. Okay, so today we are going to review place value from second grade and then extend our learning to the thousands place value. So today our book is called A Penguin Place Value, a Math Adventure by Kathleen L. Stone. Way down south, in the snow and ice, lived a family of penguins who were really quite nice. They worked hard all day, catching fish by the shore, placing them on trays to take back to their store. The trays were quite handy. They really were fine. Problem is, they were small. They only held 9. You see your fish here, but again, it's a small plate. You can only fit 9 fish. They need to figure out how to fit more. When more fish were caught, they were moved once again to a bright yellow box big enough to hold 10. So the box is holding the fish now, but they can only hold 10. So now we can hold a little bit more. 10 fish to a box. Now that was the rule, and they kept them on ice to stay nice and cool. Okay, so when you see the boxes in here, remember each box has 10 fish. So this has 10 and this has 10. So 10 plus 10 makes 20. Yes. So in this picture, there's 20 fish in the box. So 10, 20. By the end of the day, all the fish had been caught. Now it's time to find out how many fish that they've got. Oh, now look. So we caught all our fish. And now we have 6 boxes. But remember, each box has 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So now we have 6 boxes with 10 in each. So it's a lot more. Let's see how many. 6 boxes of fish and 4 on a tray were stacked by their van to be sent on their way. So remember our 6 boxes, but we also didn't count our 4 extras. There they go, on their way. 6 boxes make 60. Now don't forget the 4. That's 64 fish to be held at their store. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We're counting by tens, so that's 6 tens or 60. And then we just have these 4 extra, just 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones or 4. So if I take the 6 tens and the 4 ones, 60 plus 4 makes 64. So they caught 64 fish. Tomorrow's a new day. These fish will be bought. We hope you come back and count new fish we've caught. Say bye to our penguins. Math is all around us, no matter where you turn. Open your mind to the wonders of math and all that you can learn.